bro, this has been my favorite team since I was a kid, bro.
Bro, Real Madrid. Real Madrid.
No, I like Real
Madrid.
So we're benching today. Tristan tricep. We're probably gonna do a 5x5.
Muscles have muscles as well.
Jacob, what shoes are you wearing?
Kobe 9 All-Star. These came out 3 years ago.
No way. Oh my god.
Listening to Eazy-E.
What does this guy have, bro?
Dog, it's a helicopter, bro.
A helicopter?
Yes.
What up?
That's good, bro.
Sup, G?
That's good, bro.
What
That's
you,
good camera.
what you about to do with
I'm gonna break this fight every day, bro. I already know it. And what the fuck are you?
Oh no! No way, dog!
R.I.P. R.
Alright, go.
Uh-huh.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. Okay. Chop a 4-4.
Chopper down. Ready?
Yeah, bro.
Can I?
You need to sign a waiver whenever you hold this shit.
Sean, come on, dog.
Uh-huh. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Or it's gonna go on the roof. Oh, shoot. Sorry, bro. Well, the helicopter didn't go as planned, so we're gonna go to a park.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we won't crash it there.
No, well, it's open, so you know.
Yeah,
like,
so-
it'll be better. Cause over here,
At least we have a less chance of crashing.
bro, I think like we crashed it on someone's car like a good like 7.
Yeah, and then the restaurant owner came out. He's a chill guy, so he just laughed it off.
All of this guy's doing it like it's...
Hold on, let me get a front view. Ah, fuck. 3.
I feel like this might be putting some weight on me. Okay, 1, 2.
Okay. One more, come on.
This.
Let's go. Ooh, that's 4.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Ah.
Fuck.
Bro. Nishan's been the only one that's gotten it so far. Oh!
Go on, you guys. Oh my.
Oh, fuck. This doesn't make a difference.
Bro, just didn't get out of this thing. Okay.
Chalk.
I'm gonna get this one just because I did this.
Oh, you're getting it. No. You got this one, Rashawn. Nice. Well, we got to the park.
The shit ran out of charge.
The lights are flashing, but it's not going up.
Yeah, it's the battery ran out.
But
I guess,
we
so-
did manage to do these muscle ups, so yeah.